But as far as Kashmir region, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh regions are concerned, we have glaciers. I mean, say the biggest glacier in Kashmir, which is Kolahoi Glacier, located in Pahalgam, is also the fastest retreating glacier of Kashmir Valley. No? Then we have Nehnar Glacier, we have Shishiram Glacier. I mean, say Kolahoi has been retreating at 56 meters per year, more than 50 meters per year since last 1 decade. No. Similarly, we have, I mean, say Dramkum Glacier, which is a 65-kilometer long glacier in Ladakh. It is also retreating at 30 meters per year from last 7 or 8 years. And then also, if you look into Siachen Glacier, which is the second largest glacier outside polar regions, that is also basically retreating. But I mean, say there are certain glaciers which are retreating at a very faster pace. There are certain glaciers which are retreating at a relatively lower pace. But more or less, if you look at the western Himalayan region of Jammu and Kashmir, the glaciers are retreating at a substantial pace as compared to other parts of the Hindu Kush Korakaram arc. Glacial recession is actually climate. You have, I mean, say increasing temperatures over the last 40 or 50 years or so, which has resulted into ice melt, but you have depleted precipitation or change in the form of precipitation, which has also resulted into degradation of glaciers or health of glaciers across the Hindu Kush Himalayan region. One peculiar thing about Kashmir is because we are bounded by these two mountain ranges, Pir Panjal and Greater Himalayan range. So it is a bowl-shaped depression. Kashmir Valley is a bowl-shaped depression. And especially what happens in autumn and winter is we use a lot of fuel wood for keeping ourselves warm, hammams and I mean say all other coal and all other I mean say sources of heat energy. So what it does it liberates a lot of I mean say smoke, which has a lot of particulate matter and black carbon in it. And black carbon is many thousand times potent as compared to carbon dioxide molecule. So what happens, especially with respect to the glaciers of Kashmir, is you have a very high ambient concentration of black carbon outside these, I mean say in these glaciated regions. And that is also one of the causal factors of, I mean say glacial melt, which has not been investigated very properly till date.
Yes, of course, glacier is concerned because of the change in climate triggered by global warming. There are various research papers shows where research output shows that the glaciers are receding at very rapid rate in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, like other parts of the world, and this is because of the global warming. And the impacts of the global. These are some of the impacts of visible impacts of global warming in Jammu and Kashmir.